Welcome, and let us look at multiplication of a matrix. If you have a matrix A of under m by n and matrix B of under n by r, then the new matrix which you get after multiplying A times B, it will be of under m times r. And the matrix is compatible or can be multiplied only when here you have matrix A, which is a 1 by 2 matrix, and in B you have a matrix 2 by 2 matrix. So in this case, you can see the number of columns in A are 2, and the number of rows in B are 2. So this matrix is compatible. So we can get A times B, which is written that way. You write the element of A that way, and you write the element of B as 1, 3, 2, 4. Now, to multiply matrix, what you simply do is you multiply the row with the column. So you will have 1 times 1 as 1, then plus 2 times 3 will give you 6. So that will give you the first element. Then you have 1 times 2, which will give you 2, plus 2 times 4 will give you 8. So clearly you can see now here our result will be 7, 10. And you can see, as we have written here, our n, our m was 1, and our n is 2. So you can see here we have a matrix of 1, which is m, which is 1 here, by r is 2. We see another example here. Here you are required to show that A times B is not equal to B times A. So you are going to have 2, 1, negative 1, 3. You multiply by 0, 4, 6, negative 2. So you multiply these two matrices. What you do, you multiply row, the row times the column. So you have 2 times 0 to give you 0, plus give you negative 4. The next element, you just use your row times the row times column. You have 2 times 6, which is 12, plus negative 1 times negative 2 will give you 2. Next, the second row times the first column, which is 1 times 0 to give you 0. Then you have 3 times 4 to give you plus 12. Next, you have 1 times 6 to give you 6, plus 3 times negative 2 to give you negative 6. So to multiply matrix, it is simple. Or what you do is you multiply the row times column to get the first element. So we have done here 2 times 0 to get 0, negative 1 times 4 to get negative 4, 2 times 6 to get 12, negative 1 times negative 2 to give you as 2, the second row times the first column. 1 times 0 is 0, 3 times 4 is 12. Then the second column times second row multiplying by the second column to give you the last element here. Second row multiplying by the second column. So you have 1 times 6 to give you 6, 3 multiplying by negative 0 plus negative 4 will give you negative 4. 12 plus 2 will give you 14. 0 plus 12 will give you 12. 6 plus negative 6 will give you 0. Then next you have this part here, we multiply. 0 times 2 will give you 0. Then you have 6 times 1 will give you 6. Next you have 0 times negative 1 will give you 0. 6 times 3 will give you 18. Then you have 4 times 2 to give you 8. Negative 2 times 1 to give you negative 2. Then you have 4 times negative 1 to give you negative 4. Then you have negative 2 times 3 to give you negative 6. Then from there now, you add them. So 0 plus 6 will give you 6. 0 plus 18 will give you 18. 6 plus negative 2 will give you 6. Then you have negative 4 plus negative 6 will give you negative 10. So clearly you can see here the matrix of AB is negative 4, 14, 12, 0. The matrix of BA is 6, 6, 18, negative 10. Clearly now A is not equal to B, as we are being required to show that A times B is not equal to B times A. So we say that matrices, multiplication of matrices is not commutative. You cannot interchange the order and get the same result. So in multiplying matrices, the order matter a lot.